It says to read this guideline very carefully so that you don't use this stone in your face and look like a fucking clown, okay? I'm pretty sure that's not for your face. Do not use the...
Hi guys, welcome back to my page.
So today I have a video on Duvolle brands. They sent me this item, so we're both gonna find out what is in this. They reached out to me a couple of days ago and said that they've seen my videos, they like my videos, and they want to work with me. So we're gonna find out what's in this bag. I'm just gonna open that package. Oh wow, look at her. Reveal the hidden glow in you. No, it doesn't say in you. With your Radiance Spin-Care system. Hello. I don't know if I should be getting into all of these details because I don't know if anybody would give a fuck. But as you can see, this is the package. It's a nice package. I don't know if there's soap in this for anybody who wants to buy it. Everything about this information is going to be in the description box. So go get through this face wash nonsense. It's not nonsense, but just go ahead and get through this shit so that you know. Honestly, I don't know what all of this is for, but there is a manual for you that's gonna guide you. But I'm pretty sure if you're gonna buy this, you know what the fuck you're gonna be buying, and by the end of this video you know what the fuck this shit is. So that's why I'm here, to help you, to help the community. Okay, so the cleansing brush is the one down here, and then there is exfoliating brush, which is this one right here. This one is body brush, and obviously this is the base that you use all of this shit for. And what else? This is a Pumice stone. So I don't know if that's for your feet, for your face. I'm pretty sure that's not for your face. Do not use the stone for your face. It just fell off, so just don't, because I'm pretty sure this is for your feet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try only the exfoliating one, because we obviously I can't wash my body with this and show you guys, because I'm gonna get fucking demonetized. If I wasn't gonna get demonetized, I would absolutely do it, but you know, just following guidelines. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the exfoliating one, which is this one. So I'm just gonna take this out and let's give it a try. I hope this shit has battery, because I'm gonna be so disappointed if it doesn't. I'm pretty sure there is a battery in this. No, there isn't. Okay, it says open, but I don't know how to open this.
Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna find some battery.
This is exhausting. It says to read this guideline very carefully so that you don't use this stone in your face and fuck up your whole entire face and look like a fucking clown, okay? So anyways, I don't have any battery. You're supposed to put a battery in this. I don't have any battery, but I can still use it without the battery because my arm is a battery itself. I'm gonna use some soap. So I'm just using some soap and rubbing it on this brush. Now I'm just gonna do this on my face. It's kind of soft though. Like, I don't think it's gonna scrub it and exfoliate it as hard as you want it to, which is but also it doesn't have any battery, so it'll probably be faster than my hands, obviously. So, and might work extra fast. You get it, right? What the fuck? I'm like repeating the same sentence over and over again. But anyways, yeah, so this is the cleansing one. No, this is the exfoliating brush, and then there's a cleansing brush, there's a body brush, and then there's some stone. I honestly still do not know what that's for, but we're gonna figure it out once I finish this shit. But yeah, everything about this product is gonna be in the description down below. Yes, beach. Okay, I'm kind of finished doing this shit because my arm is tired, and that's why they made this battery nonsense, so that your arms doesn't get tired. But anyways, that's that. Let me find out what this stone is for so I can let you know. Use it 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe dry. Apply Pumice on foot and remove in circle. Yeah, this is gonna help for your stinky feet. If you got some stinky feet, this stone is for you. No, but this is like literally a whole full body type of shit, which is kind of awesome. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash my face and then go from there, to be honest, because I'm like all over the damn place today, even though I'm at one place. It doesn't come with any soap, so you can use your own soap that you would like, or I'm pretty sure they have like their own kind of soaps on the website, like facial soaps, so you can go ahead and get that, as well as this brush, because I think there's like other information that I forgot to mention. Apply brush with your favorite cleanser. There you go, I said it before they did. Haha. No, okay. Well, it doesn't come with any soap. Make sure you use your favorite brush, favorite cleanser, which is soap, face soap basically. And then it says gently move the brush across your face while moving the unit in a circular motion. Basically how I did it, do it. I'm here to help you. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I think my battery, not my battery, but the storage was full. And I also had to like dry my face and apply moisturizer. But anyways, once you get this item, make sure that you get a battery as well, so that you don't have to use your hand as a battery instead of the actual item. Fuck. Okay, but anyways, go get you this bad boy and cleanse that nasty ass face. Not the nasty face, but like the nasty shit that sticks in your face. Anyways, just go get this shit, okay? I don't want to talk too much. Link in the description. Honestly, if I wasn't me, I would want to be me. Man, my face looks so good though. It's not because of this cleanser, it's just because like my face is just bomb as fuck. It's days like this that I actually realize that my natural face looks bomb as shit, rather than painting a fucking makeup on my face. But still, my makeup looks are still bomb, so I don't know what to say, to be honest. Life is good. I'm bomb as shit. Am I conceited? Yes. Am I self-centered? Yes. Do I love myself? Yes. I don't know what else to say. I feel like my video wasn't like long enough today, and that concerns me.